Hey, yeah. Bobong left us. Sad. Just kidding, he's right there. No. The salt truck.
Name is Salt Truck.
What the? What? Slay. Here's the money.
How much?
Oh, I don't think. Pay station.
Did they pay for that?
Pay in advance. On this island. Oh, coffee. Fisherman over there. Boom. He be fishing. Coffee check.
Coffee.
Coffee.
Oh, Bubba's got it. Oh my god. Is Peter gonna show up and then instantly catch a fish?
Oh my god. Step on the gas.
You're sweat, go! Ooh, I don't go to Santa Cruz. Go, go, go. Look, oh my god.
Look at them.
What
Bobog left too.
These, wait, what?
Go, go, hurry.
I'm
Go,
trying
let's
not to
go!
crash.
Oops, oops.
Oh my god, bro. You're not
God.
gonna pass the test.
Why are they open at 7?
See, we should have just waited. Hurry. Take the whole day.
Get that spot. Oh my god, get that spot. Where's the pier?
It was right here, but it's not.
Someone's.
No, it's not that one. Keep going. It's. They took it.
Oh my no, I'm not gonna let this slide. Hey, I ran over that girl, bro. Don't we? Oh, it's okay. We can have the other spot.
Damn.
Okay.
Yeah, it's supposed to be this one. Damn, what the hell?
What the hell, bro?
Wait, no! That's Mama Pussing!
Oh,
Wait, is it?
Yeah, it is.
Oh!
oh.
Wow!
Oh my god.
Hello!
The clutch, the dang, bro. They came for
Yeah, I
me.
know.
What about my
Oh my
food? What about the
God.
hot dogs?
Yeah, what?
Because I wasn't even a hot dog.
Oh my god.
I'll go back.
Oh my god!
Am I too close?
I
I
don't
think
know.
they're too close.
I don't know if he be tricking you.
Hey!
Hey!
Hey! Whopper! Wappy!
Holding the parking spot.
Oh, we didn't think it was gonna open till 8.
Yay. Wasn't there like a lot of bacteria?
Oh, come on, man. You're the ecology major. All I can tell you.
It's a water discharge.
Ew.
Oh, there's a bigger shovel this.
Oh, he has a shovel!
See, his shovel way bigger.
Come on, bro.
Yeah, let's just. Cause no,
Musical
cause
dance, musical dance.
bro, it's easier to put the bacon on the grill like this.
Bacon time.
Wow.
Yummy.
Who are you guys?
Oh, so yummy.
Who are you?
Oh shit!
He's going rogue in there. We lost him in there.
I know you.
Dissociating. We lost him. We lost. I just need one.
Oh, this one's mine.
Alright. Oh, kill one. No left over. Double leg.
Boom.
Double leg. Yeah.
Your pants ripped.
happening, man?
Oh my god.
You come out of the water, you'll have an extra arm.
Hurry up, Cassie. We're waiting for you. Yeah, you go with it.
Hey, she recorded us.
I'm scared. I can already feel the coldness. We can do it.
What? Oh, sorry. My fault. Let's go move over.
What happened? Huh? What do you think? Wait, what? Wait, what?
He said like a whole beach and you're next to me. Look at this. What?
Yo, what? What's his problem?
Ain't no way.
Everybody.
Yeah.
Clock it. Oh, let's go, Peter.
Come on, you guys. Come on. It's not that
Okay,
bad.
it's not that bad.
It's not that bad, you guys.
It's not that bad.
This will give you my first.
Oh my god, the bird.
My feet are gonna fall off.
Come on, Christine.
Watch out, Jen!
Oh my god, you guys are going too far.
I love it.
Okay, it's not that bad.
You know,
It's leaky. Is that the white guy? Wait. Is that the white guy over there? Or no? That's Boo Boo. Oh, that's Is that the white guy? What? Oh.
Oh!
Oh.
Ah, that's a foul. That's a point, Neka.
Ooh.
Oh.
Oh.
Upset. Oh.
Man down.
We need to shape this boob, bro.
Yeah.
It's kind of jiggly though.
Where? Stubby bone.
Alright, Dio. Put the implant.
I'm dying. Watch boob.
Oh my goodness, why is
Watch
it
boob.
shaking?
That one's cute.
Let's see it.
Oh, dude, this is like.
Who has the?
Dude, it's not
It's
coming
getting on
out.
my head.
It's not coming out, bro.
Deal.
Oh, it cracked. Your boob cracked.
No, it's okay. It could be fixed.
Dude, who's the surgeons we're hiring, bro?
Yeah, what is going on?
It's water.
Deal.
No, just pat it, bro.
You're gonna get
Pat
me
it
wet,
out, bro.
Bro, it's
Smack the shit out of it.
Yeah, you gotta smack it, bro.
Hey, let's give you abs.
Smack those titties.
Ugh.
Like smack it, bro.
Let's give you some abs.
Bro, what kind of
Harder.
smacking is
Harder.
that?
Hard,
I
bro.
want to be careful because Kyle.
Bro, just smack it.
Yeah, he said slap that shit.
That hurts.
Oh my god, what?
Damn. Who for real hired this man?
Who hired the surgeon?
Coming out.
This,
Yeah, we got
Hey,
stuck.
just smack it, bro.
Fucking just make
that's
a crater.
Dr. Miami.
Oh,
Crater.
It feels like
someone have like a stick or something to dig it out.
the shovel.
What did you do? Use the back of the shovel.
I'm
Yeah.
sorry, your boob transplant has failed.
No.
They spit on the deal. Oh, hawk tool.
Say it again.
Uh,
Hawk tool?
Yeah.
Sheesh. Oh, Kyra's getting sand. I mean water.
Trying to make the tower babble. Hey, can you make it lean? Bratwurst.
Sheesh.
Let me record this one real quick. Hold on.
Oh.
3, 2, 1, go. Slap it. Yeah, fish slap. Yeah. Nice.
Kiss it. Kiss it. Kiss it.
Okay. 1, go.
Oh!
You want me to wash you, Kyle?
Breathe. Just breathe.
You want me to wash?
Not yet. Okay.
Just wash
Alright,
him.
wash them now.
The treasure. Pringles.
He's trying to open the Pringles can. Oh.
Aww.
Oh.
Aww. You're so cute. Me. Tummy time.
Your place doesn't just have to be my spot for proper uses. Huh, could you? The hell does it?
Bro was digging. Oh. Oh.
Or maybe
Oh.
I'll just hang around at your place all the time. You were amazing last time. You're looking like you're doing artsy very like normal. What happened if I know? Unuki-san will take you into the
He'd be holding that rod.
Is Kyra
Oh. Sleepy.
draw one more line here?
Why do we all have one? What is going on?
a third leg.
You ever watch Lion King?
You ever watch Lion King?
That's straight.
What the heck?
so funny. My mom.
How long is he gonna follow them?
Don't leave me, bear.
Oh, that's it. Oh.
6 for 20? He wants to rule the world. Huh?
Especially since it's
Money is money.
Do it.
Oh. Let's see.
You do 6%.
No. Ask him how much $4.
No, we already know. One leg per person is one.
And then say, okay, we make it.
6?
No, we lose money.
We lose what?
We'll do 5.
Can we lose money?
Yeah, come back here.
No, let's just get 5.
Yeah, what is happening?
Bro, scheming for $4.
Break.
Break.
Oh,
I'm scared.
it's a car
Should I
crash in
stop
slow
recording?
motion.
I'm gonna stop recording. I'm scared.
Oh, man.
How much?
No, he doesn't take 6.
Ah, he scored.
Hey,
He scored.
Scammer get scammed. Scammer get scammed. Oh my god. Oh. No, let's go.
Got ripped off.
JP! Going so fast.
He's going fast.
He's going so fast.
Damn, where'd he go?
I don't see him.
Go turbo!
He's just a blur.
My Sonic. Yeah. Here,
Should do it.
just try it. Sonic. Thoughts?
What flavor is that?
Us.
Ring toss my salad. Ring toss my salad.
Ew.
Go.
We be packing.
Should I just follow them?
Follow everybody.
Did you get a lot of footage?